let's solve the equation x equals e to the y minus e to the negative y over 2 in terms of y in terms of x. So for this, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And then I can rewrite this letting u equal e to the y. So then 2x is equal to u minus u to the negative 1, which is in other words saying 2x is equal to u minus 1 over u. I can convert this now into a quadratic if I multiply both sides by u. And then we bring everything to the right. And I can use the quadratic formula. So here, a is going to be 1, b is going to be negative 2x, and then c is negative 1. So you have opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So again, this is what u is equal to. So that's 4x squared plus 4 inside the square root over 2. And then I can factor out the 4, bring it outside as a 2. And then we can divide by 2 to get 1 plus or minus the square root of x squared plus 1. Now u, we said, is e to the y. Notice that 1 minus square root of x squared plus 1 is going to be less than 1. Or sorry, it's going to be less than 0. And to convince you of that, we know that, x squared plus 1 is always going to be greater than or equal to 1, no matter what you do. So it's going to equal, to take the square root of both sides, x squared plus 1 is always going to be greater than or equal to 1 as well. So the only time it's going to be equal is if x is equal to 0. So for this one, we're going to eliminate the negative. We're going to have e to the y is equal to 1 plus the square root of x squared plus 1. And then taking the natural log of both sides, we get y is equal to natural log of 1 plus the square root of x squared plus 1. And that's our final answer.